So today I want to talk about a product that will definitely make superchargers more comfortable, especially those with young kids. But first, let's go ahead and open the trunk. So first thing first, you're going to want to clean out anything that you might have under here. I have my storage case in here, actually with the cars, some cleaning cloth, and just a blanket. I'll put the link down in the description for these. You guys definitely love this. There's been a ton of these sold. It's a great way to compile everything, but we need to remove it for this. So the great thing about this is you can raise and lower it to make sure that you are in the sun. Actually, I didn't even realize it had this umbrella, so plus for that. But I actually got the idea for this table when we were out in California. We actually had a meetup at a supercharger, and a gentleman named Derek, who I've actually talked to before, I didn't realize it was him, was there, and he actually showed me this, kind of gave me the idea for this, and I thought it was ingenious, especially those of you with like kids and everything. That way, if you're at a supercharger, you can just set this up real quick. Your kids can stay occupied. I mean, most superchargers have like some green grass around them. Kids can stay occupied with this, and it actually is very sturdy. We were able to fit 4 large guys on it without any issue, and it's a great price point. At only $52 with the included umbrella, it's actually really cheap. So definitely something that I know a lot of families could probably use. Even me, like this could be pretty good, especially if you have some time to kill and are on a road trip. This might be definitely a good item to throw in the back. I'll go ahead and put the link for it in the description below in case you guys would like to purchase it. But overall, I'm super happy with it. Definitely let me know if you guys get one. Okay, and to also show you guys how easy this is to set up and take apart, I'm going to go ahead and dismantle it. So yeah, that was pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you are looking for a Tesla though, feel free to check out our website, teslainventory.com. Or if you are looking for a newer inventory model, feel free to use our referral code. It's down in the description below and at the top of our website. Doing so will actually get you free unlimited supercharging, which currently that is the only way to do so. And in turn will help qualify us for certain reward prizes. So that's kind of how we're able to get to all these cool events and kind of bring you guys along through the live streams. And we are still gunning for that next gen Roadster, so any help is certainly appreciated. So if you do use our link, definitely shoot me an email through the website. That way I have your contact information so that when we take delivery, we can either have you guys fly out or make sure we can coordinate meeting up with you along our road trip. But definitely thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some more videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.